What's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson-Leganier here of the New York Power Couple. Happy Friday. What's up? What's up? If you're jumping on, let me know where you're coming from. Put your name in the comments and where you are tuning in from. Yes, I have something that I want to share with you that I think you are going to appreciate, especially if you are new in the online space. So I'm going to get right into it. So if you're in the online network marketing, online marketing space, there are 5 things that you need to keep in mind when you are getting started. So I'm going to just get right into it. And number one is you want to start with a positive mindset. Everything that could go wrong in online marketing will go wrong. That's number one. So you want to stay positive. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Let me know who you are. I see some people are jumping on. Cool. Good to see you. I appreciate you coming on. Just let me know where you're coming from. Thank you for the love. I really yes. Thank you so much. What's up, Claudia? Good to see you. Thank you for stopping by. So, like I said, number one, you want to make sure that you have a positive mindset. I know what happened to me the other day. Me and some leaders, we got together and we put together some content and we said, okay, we're going to go live. And we were like in panic mode. I'd say 15 minutes before we were going live. We had people registered. We had people in the room ready to go, and the technology just was not working for us. But we kept a positive mindset. We said we're gonna do this regardless. And by I say a second before we were scheduled to go on, everything came into place. We could have just said, you know what, we're gonna cancel it and be done. No, we kept going. We despite the obstacles we had, we just kept going. So in this industry, in anything that you're doing, you want to keep a positive mindset, right? You also want to invest. You have to invest in yourself. Whatever it is that you need so that you can be successful, you have to be willing to invest in anything that you do. I mean, think about it. If you went and got a traditional brick and mortar, look at the money that you have to come forth with before you even open up your doors, right? Before you get all the products and stuff that you need, there's other background stuff that you need to do to even get started. So if you're in the online space, network marketing space, affiliate marketing space, the investment is very small in comparison, so you must be of the mindset of investing in yourself. Now, Claudia, let's see, what did you say? Oh, you just got started and you are investing in yourself and being consistent. Yes, exactly. You got the right mindset and you're going to be successful. So you go, girl. Kudos to you. All right. So if you see me looking to the side, I'm just looking at my notes real quick so that I don't miss out on what it is that I want to say to you. The next thing is you want to find a good mentor, someone that's going to take you by the hand and give you what you need. There are a lot of people out here that say that they're gurus. They'll take your money, give you a lot of fluff, and then you're left with, still not knowing exactly, what to do. I've been in the industry 10 years, and I spent a lot of money on training on myself. I don't have a problem spending the money, but my challenge was I still did not get what I needed. I mean, exactly what I needed. And I would say I didn't get that until like last year, right? I started in 2010 and I've been in various programs. I had various coaches and mentors that helped me along my journey. but there still was something missing. And I didn't get what I needed until August of 2019. Right? So that's why it's so important, and it would behoove you to make sure that you find a good mentor. So you want to do some research, right? You want to see if this person has the success that you're looking for. Make sure that they are authentic, right? And that they're just not, yeah, 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 you believe it or not. And you want to make sure that this person is delivering what they say they're going to deliver. And a lot of these things that I'm telling you now, I didn't know. You know, I'm the type of person that's very trusting. So if you tell me that you're going to do something, that's what I expect. You know, I expect you to honor your word and do what you say you're going to do. So what has happened to me, people claim that they were going to take me by the hand. And then when it was time to really get into the nitty gritty, when I needed them, they were nowhere to be found, or they left me out there. Well, you know, just go on YouTube. But that's not what I paid you for, you know? And I'm not saying I paid them $100. I paid thousands of dollars. And for them to tell me, well, you know, just go on YouTube. Here's a video. Look at the video. That's not what I paid you for. I could have did that on my own. I don't need to spend $5,000 for you to tell me to go to YouTube or look at this video, you know, or look at this example copy of what it is I'm trying to do. I paid for you to take me by the hand and show me exactly what to do, you know. But that's water under the bridge, but that's what happened to me. All right, so number three, you want to be consistent. Just like Claudia said, you have to be consistent. You can't go all in on today, Friday, or tomorrow, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of all next week, you're nowhere to be found. It doesn't work like that. You have to set your hours, right? Hey, what's going on? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me beautiful. I love it. But let's see, what was I saying? When you are consistent, you're going to get results. So you want to set your hours, whatever that is. You know, your hours are going to be different from my hours. I'm retired, thank God, so I can do this full time. But I remember when I was teaching full time, I couldn't do what I'm doing now. So I used to set my hours. I would work from maybe 7 to 9, Monday through Friday, something like that. And then on Saturday and Sunday would look a little different, right? So you have to set your hours and be consistent and true to those hours, whatever it is you set. The beauty of doing this kind of work online, hey, what's going on, Gay, is that you get to choose who you want to work with, and you get to choose when you want to work, right? So if you want to work, if you're a night owl and you want to work from 3 in the morning to 5 in the morning, you can. There's no one saying you must work from 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? You work when it works for you, especially when you have children. You want to make sure that they're set, you fed them, they're in the bed, and that may be the time where you work. So whatever that is for you. For me, I rather work. I'm a morning person. So I rather get up early, get everything done that I need to get done by 12 o'clock, 12 noon. I'm good. I'm chilling, you know, because if you do this thing the right way and you be consistent, you don't have to work all day. You know, you can put in like 4 hours a day and be good, you know. So that's why it's so important that you are consistent. So number 4 is you want to treat your business like a business, right? I don't care if you paid $1 to get a business. You don't treat it like $1. You treat it like $1 million business, like you opened up a McDonald's. So if you opened up a McDonald's and you put in, you know, you invested $20,000, you're not going to treat it like a hobby. You're going to go in there every day and make sure whatever needs to be done gets done. Your employees, it's clean, the deliveries are in, the machines are working, etc., right? So your business, you do the same thing. Your home-based business, you do the same thing. I don't care, like I said, if you paid $1, you show up every day. You just decide what that is going to look like. Okay? So make sure you do that, because if you act like your business is a hobby, guess what? You're going to get paid like it's a hobby. You know, you'll get paid a week here, a week there, maybe a month there. Some months you won't get paid. So it all depends on how you show up. Me, I like to get paid every day. Every day I want to see money coming into my account. So guess what? I show up every day. All right. The last thing I want to say, number five is don't figure everything out on your own. Everything that's being done online has been done before. There's nothing new under the sun. What people are doing is they're taking the training, they're getting the training, and then they're putting their own spin. They're delivering it their way. But there's nothing new. Nothing. So find a mentor that you resonate with, that you click with, that what they're saying, it just works with your being. And then you study them. You study what they do. And then you do what they do, but you do it your way. And that's how you are attractive. That's how people will come and gravitate to you, because whatever your style is and your loves and what you like, you're going to gravitate to those people. So whoever you vibe with, I'm not going to vibe with them. There's enough people on these social media platforms for all of us to eat well, you know? So don't try to go out there and attract everybody, you know, because if you're trying to attract everyone, you're going to attract no one. So decide who you want to talk to, who's your target audience, and that's who you talk to. And that's who you're going to appeal to. All right. So I just want to give you guys a quick bonus. And that is, if you find yourself, you're in a program, you're excited, you're on Facebook or Instagram or whatever platform that you're on, and you want to promote your company, but you're not really sure like what you need to say, because there's certain words that trigger emotion, because we all buy on emotion, and you need to know what those words look like. There is a new program. It's a copy and paste program that gives you all the ads, every last single ad that you could possibly get. And what I do with this program, I look at the ads and then I tweak them, but I don't take out the keywords, and you'll see what the keywords are. You'll get image ads, and you'll get word or text ads. And you will learn how to use those on various platforms so that you can get people reaching out to what you're doing. So whatever you learn in this program, this copy and paste program, you can make money in the program, and you also can apply it to whatever program that you're promoting now. So this is a win-win, because you'll have an additional income, and then you will also know how to promote what you already have. So if this is something that you would like to look into and see if this is a fit for you, just put learn in the comments, right? In the comments below this video, put the word learn. And what I'll do is I will send you a private message with the information so that you can check it out. So now the beauty of this program, not only will you learn exactly what to say to promote your program, if you decide that you want another income, when a person joins you, the money goes directly to you. So remember before I was saying that I like to get paid every day? This is how I get paid every day. I'm going to say it again. This is how I get paid every day. Because when I share the information with people and they decide to join me, the money comes directly to me. So you can have the same for you. So when you share your link, and with this program you get a website, because it's all about branding, right? Branding you. So when you share your link, they're going to learn something about you before they even see the offer that you have. So it was a lovely presentation. You'll be represented well for whoever wants to see your program. And the money goes directly to you. So if you have Cash App, you have Venmo, you have PayPal, you have whatever Stripe, whatever payment options you have, then people will be able to pay you, and then you can get paid multiple times a day instead of waiting until the end of the week or waiting until the end of the month, depending on when your company decides to pay you. So you can determine with this program when you want to get paid. Do you want to get paid daily? Do you want to get paid monthly, weekly? It's totally up to you. That is the beauty of this industry. All right. So I hope you guys got value. If you got value from this this video, just put a 1 in the comments to let me know that I did help you in some kind of way, because that is my goal. My goal is to give back, because when I was coming up, I really didn't have the support that I needed. So I want to shorten your learning curve so that you can win in this industry a lot sooner than I did. All right. So I'm signing off. So again, if you want to know more about the program, just put learn in the comments and I will certainly get that information over to you. See if it's a fit. Take a look at it. See if it's a fit for you, for what you're doing. I think you will appreciate it because there's a wealth of education in the program, and you will learn a lot on how to promote what you're doing, and also you can use the information so that you can make money for yourself. All right, so this is Daria Jackson-Leganier signing off, and I will see you in the next video. And thank you to Claudia for stopping by. Talk to you soon.